Hello and congratulations for finishing another week of Disabilities in Society. I hope you've enjoyed the material. By tonight at midnight, you should have submitted your quiz and participated in the compare and contrast activity. This week I will be going through to make sure everybody participated, and we'll be getting your points for completing the three assignments: the voice thread, from the history, the compare and contrast, and the quiz. If you have those completed and you have participated in a decent fashion, then you will get credit for those. Your next assignment is to write your blog post. I'm going to walk you through the technical details of how to do that, but I want you to remember this is not a summary. This blog post is a synthesis of your learning. It is expected that you create a thesis statement, find supporting evidence for that thesis, and that you cite your responses. Okay, I know what I asked you to learn. I don't need you to summarize it for me. So let's go ahead and look into the module to see how we do the blog post. Okay, so now we are into our history module. I'm going to scroll down here to where the assessment is. Okay, please read through the directions carefully. You will see here I ask you to go back to the voice thread and compare and contrast activity to review what your classmates have done. I will also tomorrow be providing a synthesis from the quiz of points that everybody got right and points where we might have had some misunderstandings to make sure we clarify. Here I describe what a synthesis is and what I expect you to do. The Writing Center in the library can provide you fabulous support if you're having a hard time understanding the difference between a synthesis and a summary. As with all effective blog posts, I expect that you use hyperlinks, videos, or images, and I'll show you how to do those features in just a moment. Your blog post is worth 20 points. It's your assessment for this final module. I have here it's due February 18th at 9 a.m. I'm going to change that to midnight. All due dates will be midnight, so I apologize for this. This was one change that I've made. So let's click into the blog. Okay, you are not going to look at the course groups. Yours won't have all the courses. It will just have one that you have access to. You're going to go down to the Disabilities in Society blog. Okay, you will each have your own blog in here. What you're going to do is you're going to click Create Blog Entry. Okay, give a title to this, and you can call it History and Law, or Module 1, or give it a title that matches your thesis statement. Okay, this is my blog post. I'm just typing in words to show you how you're going to type there. You're then, if you would like to post an image, you're going to click on this button here that says Attach Image. Okay, you may then browse your computer and attach it just like you would an email. Okay, so I won't go ahead and do all those, but you just find it and attach it. You then hit Submit. Okay, if it's really large, you'll need to grab the corners of that image to make it smaller. Okay, the other piece here, you may explore all of these. You can add a document, audio files, QuickTime, but the one feature that I want to bring to your attention that is really easy to use is right here. It's called the mashup. And here you can add a YouTube video or an NBC content video. Okay, so let's look at YouTube. So you click here and then you're going to search. So say you do your regular search out in YouTube and you find a video that really supports your point that you want to use. So I'm just going to say disability history. Okay, now you're going to search for a video that you've already found. Okay, say this is the video I want. I can either preview it or I can push select. Okay, then down here where it says view, what you want to do is you want to click embed video. Okay, then you're going to select show YouTube URL. In case your video doesn't work, people will know where to go to find it. Okay, and then you're going to hit submit. And there you go, your video is embedded. Okay, so you can delete, if you want to delete any of this information, you have the link there. Okay, you can, delete the title, change it a little bit like that, okay? And that is embedded then in your block. So it is expected that you go beyond writing and bring in some images or video to support your points. Don't bring in videos that don't relate, only things that support your point, okay? If you know how to, you may create your own video, but you do need to have writing in your blog. There is not a word limit on writing. However, it should be a significant post. I'm expecting them to be, if we were to put them in paper, the writing portion to be 2 to 3 pages. I give that just as a guideline, not as a specific. Okay, you know I will be reading these carefully. I'll be reading them for your writing as well as the content. So please, please give yourself the week to do it. Do not wait till Monday and just give yourself one day to do it. Okay, I look forward to hearing from you all, and let me know if you have any questions.